numbers. You notice gears turning, you'll notice columns going up and down. You'll notice a blade indicator that goes all the way from top to bottom that actually is pulled out of the gears, and then the gears turn and it's clamped in. You'll hear a crunching sound, a slapping sound when those things go in and out. So with that, let's crank it up. Oh, there's a lot to watch. I don't know if anybody noticed that these fat gears here engage with these narrow gears here, and that they move up and down in a half a gear position. That's because sometimes they're engaging gears on both sides, and sometimes they're engaging gears only on one side.